Hello everyone, I am Hers and today I am going to show my website to you all. This is our website named Nexus Notes, which is used to take notes and organize the notes. So these are the login and sign up buttons. From here we can create new account or log into the existing account. These are the key features of our website. AI chatbot, organize note, quick search, etc. Why choose Nexus Notes? These are the features and why what users say, and these are the reviews given by the user. So these are the links from which we can visit our LinkedIn or GitHub page. From here we can log in or sign up also. So this is the sign up page. Login with this is the continue with Google functionality. So I will log into my website because I already have an account to my website. You can sign up from here with a new username or account. So I will log into my website. So the credential is HARSH 1234 ABCD. So I have successfully logged in to my website. This is the navbar where we have light and dark mode theme and a chatbot toggle, which will enable a chatbot like this. This is the chatbot, which will help you to summarize the notes, etc. in my website. Like we can ask any question from chatbot, like who is Narendra Modi or something else. We can ask any question like if answered who is Narendra Modi. This is here because it will help us to organize the notes. This is the light and dark mode toggle, which will help us to light and dark mode features for website. This is the new note where we can create a note, and this is the new button which will create a new folder. Like I am going to create a folder named hers. So here new folder is successfully created. Now I'm going to add a note to the folder hers. These are all the folders which I have added earlier. Like if we I will click on biology, it will show the note which is associated with biology folder like this, chemistry, this, earth science, this. From here we can view the notes, this last updated date. These are the tags. Here we can edit the note if we want to make it bold like this. Can make it bold, or if we want to add some color to the note, we can also add the color like this. Uh, and if we want to add some link, we can also add some link here. Type something google.com. So this is the link which we have added, and we can also add some image to our website like this and update note. So uh, I think this is the folder that we have added the image. image successfully added. And from here we can export note, like we have a note max. From here I can export it in two format, PDF and markdown format. So I will export it in PDF. PDF successfully generated. This is the format. And time. So we can also make PDF from this. And this is a feature which will help us to add notes quickly. Like if there is a note or something, we can just click on this tool, which, like, this is the script. We can add it or bookmark it to our to our browser. And from here, if we will click on this, it will choose the title or content, and we need to select a folder and save. Content clipped successfully. We can see from here. Refresh the page. This one successfully added. Here we can delete our note also. Delete. Not deleted successfully message, so that not has been deleted successfully. Okay. It does not have notes now. So in dark mode, toggle, and we can delete folder from here also. Like select hers and delete. Deleted. The tags which we have added to our notes, it will help us to search notes easily, like ASTRO. This is the tag associated with this note. So if we will search ASTRO, it will show this note, like ASTRO. So these are the tags, all tags which we have generated and added to our note, which will help us to search notes easily. Uh, we have a PHP MyAdmin panel also, which is our database where these all informations are saved. Like this is the PHP MyAdmin panel is opening. We can check new note functionality. Like I add some note to a CSC folder, add some tag and save note. Here we go. Notes. This is saved. This one. This is the note which we have saved now. This is the PHP MyAdmin panel. This is the database of our website. These are all the folders, like user folder, the username. This is the username which I used, and the tags, these tags, these tags, these tags here, and folder section, chemistry, astronomy. This one. So notes section, all notes which we have, these notes, like these notes. So that's all. Thanks.